Hi guys, it's Taylor Christina and welcome back to my tiny little channel. I know, it is a complete disaster in this bedroom. There are toys everywhere, clothes everywhere. There is just everything everywhere in this bedroom. So we are going to get this all cleaned up today, in addition to putting up a few Christmas decorations. Not too much, just to make it a little bit festive. So if you're interested and need some serious cleaning motivation, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned. Let's get started. So I normally start out by stripping the bedding. You guys know that. I don't know why I didn't do that this time, and it didn't make any sense. So as you can see, I started with folding all the laundry and putting it away. Then I'm going to move on to getting the bedding stripped off in the wash, and then we're going to clear off the desk and get that nice and tidy. The urge to just throw away all these cords, but as soon as I throw them away, I know Xavier's gonna be like, where's my blah 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 cord? So he knows what all of these cords go to, so I'm just going to organize them for him and put them in his basket.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family.
If you're an OG, you know that I normally leave the toy cleanup to Ethan, my 4-year-old, but he is in school right now and I want this room completely clean. I will be decluttering all of his toys very soon before the holiday because he has no space. There is no room left to grow in his little toy closet, so I need to get rid of some stuff.
Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh.
This is the area where I'm going to add a few holiday decorations. So I need to get this all cleared off and wiped down and organized. This bookshelf really is not big enough for their book collection. I have some of it stored under their beds. I added this Santa hat to the lamp. I thought that was so cute. Obviously, we'll take the hat off when the lamp is on, and we're just going to get this area all the way together.
Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart.
Now I am just going to be stringing these little fairy lights across their blinds. These are from TJ Maxx. And then I am going to add their little Christmas tree and add the little mini ornaments and star.
Jingle with me, baby. Jingle with me, baby. Jingle with me, baby.
much later, as you can probably tell by the lighting, and their bedding is now washed and completely dried. So I am going to fully make their beds because I know that they're getting ready to go to bed soon, but when I fully make their beds like this, it's easier for them to make their bed the next day. Their beds are against a wall, so it kind of keeps that one side of the blanket in place. So all they have to do is like pull the blanket up, if that makes sense. A quick reminder of what their room looked like before. I literally feel like the elephant that was sitting on my chest stood up and walked away. I am so happy that I took the time to do this because otherwise it would just get worse and worse. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video and got some cleaning motivation from it. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, leave me a comment below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!